have delivery again from Amazon, right? It's heavy. Are you recording? And what is this? This is my Christmas present, by the way. Look, it's smaller box and bigger box. And this is this item. This is robot vacuum cleaner. This model, it's visible on video. Okay, just if people interested in this vacuum cleaner, they will see this video. David, I can't get it from there. How should I put? No, it should go this way. Ah, because it's another box. Ah, it's like this. Ah, it's something. And we have, you see everything? You see it, David?
Mm-hmm.
It's visible on video.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like this. And what do we have? We have charger. We have, it's probably battery. Or station.